One point ingakia mono chonyirani chibesa no chonyirani in any kind of way ariko kwa time limit tigago kabeso monto okorengereri iguru ye umaitenga bia embiri korara mambiende ngo gukora ngo itana muri baide akonyoro maita you can even find a way to finish using njako imagine you lied to me for my money monto ndena ando olituate banga orago tumeke buno motego boss yaga sega sio maitenga this is my boss kwa ndandange lakini hao kwa chiba studio konya buogo mambienda hao make mukai mambienda hao make slave ya it doesn't mean ngana basabati boka no ngana basati no ngana basati mambienda you are a slave of this boss because you know you are tagged in with some money kurusari yes
lakini pia we are not discouraging people from asking for loans because najua so many people wame thrive through loans
yes and again bono na kitu gochira point yende to gochanga ki when you are given a loan how are you supposed to behave
when like you're given a loan how are you supposed to behave
before we go for a break tigamba boli mwanya kukopa umeikopesha mtu pesa alafu hiyo time unamwomba pesa anakuambia hana uende umpate kwa hoteli amekaa sawa sawa anakula
sasa huyo
ama anajibamba
norocho yo umuntu yo tali muntu le sahihi yawe chiko sabachwesa nande kerobona tali sahihi umuntu itakwanje igento gyakabere ngeri nanda rochenga ibone type y'abantu bali bagoche mugoche gwetana barabu ariko kwa akumaitenga nabota irani akoe mambiende muetane bobesa
mimi ndo nimempea pesa nimempigia masimu achukui nimeenda nipata mekaa diplos na kuku my right kufikiria ile ni pesa yangu anakula
sasa wa mtego ndio nyinyi mtego ndio nyinyi ngawasi nchukua pesa timenya buyasi njombo teli yao
but me I'm thinking what you're saying inoma sana and I believe if you really want to have a very good life with your friends wacha kukopa rafiki yako pesa
heri umuombe
Makinight tiago saba mimi nasema kama kweli una rafiki wa ukweli muombe pesa mukope pesa mukope
amna Makinight kama kweli wewe una rafiki wa kukudhamini sana mwambie nipe pesa
Omochokoro Onyamora toko
Makinight ngati pesa kwa nini okay not long term unajua if you know unomba ido cheki onyo wasabe chipese chiga they know very well they know very well nga okay akichipesa na masabe chipesa I will refund this money we have friendship but usura nitumika don't use me Mark
now that is the point
don't use me what you do niombe do Lisa say I'm in trouble I need some cash akibu nisaidie do usiseme narudisha pesa lini then later on wewe kama nyumba do rudisha useme sasa kibasi ilikuwa ngete changisa nje now thank you
wono ga good pen ngaki ekero nande bono kingo to nae bono ke neba koro musani ime to sabu kibesa tu singa njigo sabu karabuli muntu iga problem kya wete ngiawo chiko kolera I just don't come lisa go cha sole ngote ngaki ng'elfu 100 because I know you may be giving me ask me nkingo chiko korera chibese chiga muchando kyubwate you know at some point nabonda okonya nabonda okabesa nabonda ko ebo sango temi nabono genda usina koire nusu na elgi nusu
you know now, that is now you're talking
bono kwa ire aipa antojibes mambi ko monyorore la vela no agwenjo ine chwesi singinjo you are not even concerned umuntu
muchando kyabwa yes
umuntu yo ngakia kwa mwache besa kumbe na abatotate uchikokoraki
okay
kwa mwiri chibesa kumbe bono ga muntu
no umuntu tona kwa pressure don't mind what this person is doing with that money if you are friends as long as pia amekuomba do Makinight you kweli
bono aguno abantu bago sandirete n'abantu
no Makinight listen njina go chibesa don't mind what I'm using this money for it is your money
me as you to give you money
because you know hata ukienda
that now you're not becoming a good friend because Makinight no
unajua ukienda bank kuomba pesa loan you describe what you're going to do that money
bono me okay Omochokoro Onyamora bono me as Makinight bono let me talk me personally not TV if I have money and I'm your friend me as Brian nimbwate chibesa nande you are my really friend then you've decided to come and borrow me money ochongiraneli onye kimbwate good interest na aye bunu musani and I'm ready to loan you I must know what is the problem I must know where you're going to use
Of course,
this
Makinight.
money.
Yes.
If you can't tell me that,
Okay.
if you can't tell me that, it means you're not honest. And if you're not honest, I'm not entitled to give you loan.
I agree with you and I disagree with you a little bit. But rende wakoni wina ki ebono chibese chigana nde tokora ABCD. What if the ABCD have lied to you? I need this money
Now,
due to nimbote girlfriend Makinight. I have a girlfriend.
Yes.
Girlfriend yane we had a date. Makinight date yangu imebounce. Na nimejua nikwambia niko na date hautani save.
Sasa mimi sio rafiki yako.
Ndio wasifikia kwa nini bwana?
Unafaa kuwa open.
Sasa tunadanganyana.
Aje
tunadanganya umaito Omochokoro Onyamora it depends on the money you are borrowing umaite eikenga ki Omochokoro Onyamora.
Of course I can let me tell you.
Unaenda kama date will ask me even for 5k. Sasa
yes, it depends on the money. It depends umaite nganongo sabora 100,000
hapo unataka
kujua. Of course that one is not being crazy.
If budget yegen tukijota ketekera almost 20 and then for 100,000. You know, I have no problem because nanche kuno musani na wango imagine ngaki there is 1 or 2 3 things yota open nanche be personal to you, but at least it's the 50% or 60% of the money I'm giving you I'm entitled to know nganka yeko genda. Not even I don't nkiyogochi to make gokora, but at least 50% of the money I'm giving you I must know where it's going. Umaite chinde 50% nabo at least uramanya ko tuara your own issues otata te ko explain it when I'm so close to you, but at least I'm giving you this money, let me know where 50% or 60% chiko genda, because I'm nabonda gotigire ekarona ro struggle ko ngirane
upate
wono nyolenga na koete asingi njukutuku watakite chibesa mambine nyolen ko karol chitale chiagasigete to kuetana my friend.
I am not saying no Makinight. Of course, tota go siakili besa chia go singincho, you know how hard you get that money. And when a friend comes to you, let me see what I can do to get this money. I'm in need of this money. And when you lend me this money, chukumeto singe songe kena kwana. Kero kwa ndende chibese pesa zio kotu. Yani nchiri kwa choro. Besi nchiri kwa choro. So I know definitely you may need this money, right? Now, if you need this money, na nimepata njia kupata pesa kutoka kwako kwa njia tofauti isile ambayo ilikuwa ni ya kawaida. Don't mind how I spend this money. You hate me as a friend. That is it. Unilikuja ukanisaidia kama rafiki. That is it. Don't mind what I use this money for.
Oh no, Lisa said no Omochokoro. You know I can decide to get money from you because I know you have money.
Yeah.
Bono, that is not loaning. I can find a way of getting money from you. I can think and watch best as my friend.
Yeah.
I won't go imagine one, let me cook something because alone and borrowing money. Bono I think about niga. These are deals. So Lisa sana boko manyanga tigandora nga kinko ngosa okibesa kuruso muntu gete ni maitenga na which is out here. No waona tigandi gichi enchera nkonya wachibesa kuruso muntu ni maitenga na bwachibesa nga kinko kora bakanya wachibesa kuruso muntu.
Hata kuna projects to invest.
Because you are my friend na boko imagine nga it's okay muntu tigamu wachibesa chigana nini. But when we are talking about loaning, loaning muntu narora kwa chibesa singi chukwa genda as form of a loan lakini ta kwa loan. Yes,
that's a close friend of yours.
Yes, that is now when we talk about loan. Loan, a loan, loan. At least I have to know 60% where that money is going. Yeah.
Okay, that one I can agree with you.
Na sinchira ba singinche iyo kusabana chibesa tu na acha nago tenga ni loan yokonga kumbe nabwate bongo bwe deal.
Yeah.
Kumbe nchene loan nabwate bongo
bwe. Then that one is not a good friend though.
Bona abuna buba ichiriska akitoko tanganya saya ko oyo mogo sebabere because mbali bange okonyoro oyo mogo sebabere omanyete who you are omayete nga nchera kiara ko echibesa omayete no na yekero ko genda okoba honest nyuma no taba 100% honest at least you are 60%.
Now you are talking something now you're talking what my ears want to hear.
Omochokoro Onyamora na kina
it's not a must for you to be honest.
Omochokoro na ko tebanga ki Omochokoro Onyamora to ko 1,100 ekene utamanye thinking ocho kora chibesa unless and otherwise na bora amanya at least that's the last coin.
But yes, now you're talking
because the first thing I approach you nikikuja kwako kuomba that 100,000 ama 200 the first thing I must say ni
nisaidie
pesa nataka kulipa school fees ama nisaidie pesa kuna biashara nataka kuanza imenilemea pesa, si ndio? Yeah, so you have to describe.
Ekero konga chibasiri bona tali uchi kungakira chisabu ngaka gore kintu gia 40 akagore kintu gia 20 gore at least 60% na bongo kote yebintu bino na akero wake chisabu ese basi chigana bongo mwa ndoche na bachigo kaba bona na rat agore cheap na gora agore bintu biri cheap. That is none of your business. Bono on a point nelinga kingo cha kuira ne liari igago no ere gago bono on Monday we will be now talking about this kind of friends to bore, friends in relationships and nani bono nyasayo igago oyo bantu mbabu ati basani ska tata.
I know. Let me tell you, like yesterday I was in a dead fix and I was trying to lina key who is going to help me, by the way. I tried this guy is kind of hapa je ni kavu mbaya
lakini sometimes we are not bad friends, sometimes your friends are broke.
Yes,
no.
Sometimes they are not bad.
I don't think. No, let me tell you.
By the Omochokoro Onyamora, that is true.
Sometimes.
Let God just give you one friend who has money.
Pata sisi wote hatuna pesa. Unaamka usiku unaniambia nisaidie 100.
No, acha nikwambie.
By the way,
wewe mwenye market mwenye uko na mtu mwenye unaweza uko na how to call it. Uko na biashara yenye unaweza kuomba mtu 100k, that means your friends have money. You cannot come just tena kia tu I need 100k from Omochokoro Onyamora. Onyamora has only 10,000.
By the way, in return, as much as we are saying, have one friend who has money, ask God to be that friend who has money. Those that to you can help your friends.
Yes,
that is another
now,
thing.
Because you cannot tell me ati niko na pesa 100 ati wana baba ocho kwanza 100,000 boni komedi na kimochi kwenye mataka 100,000
alafu niende nikuchukie you are a bad friend.
Yes.
So can you help your friend with a lot of money singing choma itenga muntu na tangira nilitiga konyeke?
Yes.
As long as it's a true friend to me.
Yes.
Me I'll cross oceans for you and mountains. I'll cross. For a good friend.
We know you're a kiss yalla.
Mkerubo umesahau. But pia tunafaa kusign agreement.
Nimejua nimkizi. Nimkizi.
Are we supposed to sign agreements with our friends?
No.
How now? Wakati you're my best friend, now I'm giving you a loan. Am I supposed to sign?
I agree.
In
yes.
An agreement?
Yes.
In fact,
I agree too.
I agree.
Ask me, I know.
Hata mimi sasa niulize.
I think it depends with the amount.
To keep friendship. To keep now friendship now. Kama unataka kumsaidia mtu na 1 million.
Sasa
nyinyi mabazu. Sasa hii lazima nayo iwe lazima muandikane chini.
Lakini nende as much as I agree with that, as much as I agree with that. Nekero twate bantu explain details inga ki umuntu igani mwachi bese chigana tangira nelitiga konyeke. But I have to sign in ekero kana era atwa because I know ngana na bara twarangira neli. Wona beko banga kintu akolete some agreement of writing. So depending on inga na chile ko saba million, you know in one way or the other, even if I'm struggling I can make that million. Because to kongat million ko shuanga on the blue sky and sun cross.
Watch a blue sky on the red sky.
Now I'm talking about those people who are able, like we tuko friends sisi tunasaidiana. Unajua Bria kona 1 million sasa anaweza nisaidia hata 500k. Am I supposed to wewe ni wewe Makinight? Watu wanajua tuko close na Omochokoro. Nikuja nianze kuambia ati uniombe pesa alafu nikwambie kesho baadaye tupatane kwa lawyer wangu to sign.
No, not using the lawyer. Naboko tebanga kibono, that is naboko more indirect.
I'll tell him that exactly.
Watu wengi mimi nimeona mabazu by the wanafanya hivyo kama collect. You see best friend yako.
The reason why
there's so many things.
That is not being best friends. Nabata muiraneli. But yekerama itenga nabagu chikonyora muiraneli even if it will take some time. It's good to write. It's good to do it in writing.
Okay. Do you know friendship ends? Do you know now friendship ends?
Ends when tunakishi pesa.
Friendship ends. Ubeshto ushaga.
Wishanga kweli.
So kuandikeni ile ni kwamba aje. Kuandikeni aje. Man, even if itaisha ile siku itaisha nitataka pesa yangu.
Not only kuisha kwa urafiki, I might God forbid I might even die. At least my family members mama
because okay kama mimi ni bazu nkoli 100,000 you're not friends.
100,000 sio sasa unajua wanaomba sijui millions.
Let's talk of millions. Man, I cannot sacrifice millions na tujandikiana though kuna mmoja alinipatia millions zake akuniandikia hata 1 shilling.
Just a friend.
Just just a friend.
No, that's a good friend.
In fact, you kubuga tibu ya tao kabisa okonyete. Let me tell you the truth. Oya okonyete.
Wow. Hiyo kitu nimekumbuka tu sasa. Actually nimekumbuka tu sasa hivi nimeongea hivi.
Oyuniga okonyete.
Na lazima nimshukuru.
Ando wacha kushukuru point yangu explain about that.
Please explain to me.
Oya okonyete na anda atake toikonye na ibi kora mufeli. Because
such amount of money anamaanisha amefikiria kaona this one deserves that money.
Nimsaidie na akona very big interest of you kwa hati yake. So anataka kufanyia hivyo ili wewe pia usimdisappoint, ujisaidie ili baadaye pia anaweza demand
kutoka kwako.
Oh yeah, for sure. Like he's trying to make me stable.
Not stable. Helping you to make yourself a person.
What does the
he's
difference?
Making you stable, yeah, it's true.
That's stable.
And another it's wide.
It's making you stable. At least now
so that anaweza lean on you
the next time.
Kama hao watu wenye wanalipianga orphan school fees. Wanalipa wakijua kesho anaweza kuwa somewhere.
Na yake rosomi mwana b'umuntu. Yake rosomi mwana b'umuntu. Never call it much honest. Never call it much from the heart. Rosomi umuntu higasinga njoma itenga ki in future times umuntu ayise kuba successful. Na tankonya nchi. Na ba Christiana konye my generation. Na kunyuranga ki umuntu igana na ruete support ya sinde asinjiremo. That is not a demand, but that is humanity. Edima itenga ki umuntu I'm giving fully to this person. Muntu nabakara nyori. Even if not me, nabana yarara tuaro moyo
wakusaidia mwingine ama sawa wengine nisilipie like 5 people in a family. Nikilipia huyu mmoja at least atasaidia the 2 others left.
Tu alikunire woli. Timatio sama day nara usabusia. Alafu vantu maikura na baadaye. Kwa INKA TV chatike stakesa ntokoro morobelio but we will be guzaring chi topic iberisa to gaiga to tara chikoro mwanchumo ligereli. Keep sharing, keep liking, go some commentino in a short while to my go chikora gaiga. Sabusia ba kwa negro yama deni
ama teni.
Konya bantu baito jenka igore duka ikinyuru gya seito eline konya bantu baito baonerie chumbi na mabuta yetaya sabuni ne sukari moiwe baonerie chumbi na mabuta yetaya sabuni ne sukari moiwe kumba bantu baito ribali macheso bakageranga segedu bantu baito ribali macheso bakageranga sekeduka amwa bagacha agakabezi sukali rana konga besa goikarero amwa bagacha agakabezi sukali rana konga besa goikarero tata mokagacha agakabezi megati rana konga besa goikarero tata mokagacha agakabezi megati tana konga besa goikarero semo ya nagacha agakabezi omochere tana konga besa goikarero semo ya nagacha agakabezi omochere tana konga besa goikarero umugisangi korosia ni nyansu Bagisangi ubane baganto ya sana Ndagero korosia ni nyansu Kumba bantu baito Banditekelero Bakabekera inie bujeri Kumba bantu baito Banditekelero Bakabekera inie bujeri Abantu n'abajanja Bagato gyambuya Nandi bagacha kama kabeso Abantu n'abajanja Bagato gyambuya Nandi bagacha kama kabeso Bamwa bagacha Aganga besikiriero Tana konga besa kuikalero Bamwa bagacha Aganga besikiriero Tana konga besa kuikalero Sukuru ya nagacha Nabasani baje Magakabezi ya matumbe kilo Sukuru ya nagacha Nabasani baje Magakabezi ya matumbe kilo Makomo kagacha Agakabezi ya chisoda Tana konga besa kuikalero Makomo kagacha Agakabezi ya chisoda Tana konga besa kuikalero Oeli nera gacha Agakabezi ya mandasi Tana konga besa kuikalero Oeli nera gacha Agakabezi ya mandasi Tana konga besa kuikalero Kitabu kia madini Kakeri kagionsi Ikageranga cheka eduka Kitabu kia madini Kakeri kagionsi Ikageranga cheke bujeri Ikageranga si Ikageranga cheka noterie Kenya waya chete kagugo Na bago sabusi extra bundi senior Gideon Kabinga Alexander Gaki Adrana Gobro Tumba Toba Douglas Sangonda Amona Ongera Bwanali na Johnny Omwega Adrana Nyakundi Mayole bonyego sana obusoi ndata pora soko siro mwana mino Joshua Nyego Kwarankwani Bridget Williams mama rwangu wa USA Sani abayayo Amona pito ke mwana pora soko myokoro Nomosani Nicodemus yarata mwana pora
Abandi digatwa konye nekero muntabe kire biasara Muko nakoronga no kukabeza kuka Bomwenga Mama Felix na wani bosire andikisi myosiemu Agriades mamanyi Abasani abaya Musionyali na Doro Kinyaboke Olwali metamaywa na Joani kwambuka yani Gideoni Birisi kanyanjama na umwana Sipora Kurwali kondeni amuna Dr. Songo kurwalia Ititi na pito kemwa Amuna basani wewaza busia
Unabao sabusia kisa toko na kurwa basembia Kute na jietalia Ese wanambo kabeza karoni kaki Gana rego lege ozi kikaiga Abantu bakamana kubikira hivi Bago jondo kabeza higo Mana watu ngaya nika ukita kukia madeni Mocha kanyoranga Moito ana asi komanda ujika Diga mete bucheria Ine kalpanyoranga Ine mamonde ya bantu baka chete Baka kabeza higo Moito ya kasike duka Kosika na bucheri Kosika na hoteli Timoti nyaunine baba saina Kama na edu ni maranga Kama mozika aka Joseph Miyo Kama na umuru maikego na ya kato Mojari mkatu mwenyeyo Every nyari ibon niga askisi Ama na Kennedy Obu anzu Kwa obu anzu babo songo Mwankwane ni matara nyamonge Bisubia kusikero kapu Kama na edu ni wayama kusikudi Musani muya na pita soni uchwali musani Mwankwane ni choku asiago Yani kimarosi Ru Ama nisioge tiri muru Ama na ena kukucho Ama na Josephat Kenyanza Nerege chondo Na chokuri nyu
Etina kirbo Wakambo Olwali kibirbo Ama nungu kimungare Olwali Senge na manga
Muya na pita soni uchwali musani Mwankwane ni choku asiago Yani kimarosi Ru Ama nisioge tiri muru Ama na ena kukucho Ama na Josephat Kenyanza Nerege chondo Na chokuri nyu
Etina kirbo Wakambo Olwali kibirbo Ama nungu kimungare Olwali Senge na manga Omwana Yani omungwatizi maziorango Omwana omora Wakambo Olwali kibirbo Ama nungu kimungare Olwali Senge na manga Omwana Yani omungwatizi maziorango Omwana omora Olwali nyamira monumo banyamira bonse amona mamungu abeni mura.
Right, yes, Kigima, thank you so much. Abakurukwa bagusabuse banda. Negente kiambo kurukwa madeni kabisa. Chiaragire chinsa inyene chitaikanye chiabona mambia. Akaronte kora soma chi comment y'abantu babiri batatu bari kiri chi comment go chase studio mambia yabona iga. Orenginga togendete kokokya togendete ko entertain nimero bili tokurwa se chinseme chiga chia Twin Towers. By the way, yabagusabuse band batera totera gokurukunga mu school na nganye town. Yeah. It's one of the great songs, by the way, and I love the creativity. Tima tu siri sasa kwa igure watero uko.
Na igure watero uko.
Jebaro tena ko iwa.
Ote baga ko endo yugis.
Ako iroka.
Oro ko achieng.
Ako genda chisamo chake.
Kiambu.
Abeta kerego.
By the way, watero that is.
Atina weta kerego.
Kula kuningo tena.
Watero kulia. Kulia.
Naomba ugusishe kwa kidogo. Kidogo gusishe kidogo gusishe kidogo gusishe.
Hata una mwese kwa na chejetaoni.
Latest.
Yeah, I've created the latest, by the way.
It must be their latest song.
Yeah, kwa ramna mbara kobeka, by the way.
Nkoro.
Yeah?
Nkoro.
Nama etekera wanto kujibali chitauni. Yoda tena nkoro, ame tena nkoro.
Agukuru watero.
Nkoro.
Paka usiku.
Nkoro paka usiku. Nkoro paka usiku.
Agukuru watero.
Tunaanza mchana.
Nabuko ndiye watero ko. They performed that song at Winds Park. I was there.
You went?
Yes, I was there, man. Watero ko is fire. Once called na change town. Mwate kiara nate wagende ki Omochokoro Onyamora. Abakanyaro mwana miya wasongwa. Manu korokoro kana biya. Manu rabete biya.
Mwana moitebere.
Lakini ndiyoka getenga no mwana umuronge. Kumbe no alenge kirigori sikorokwa otie achieng.
Dali achiengi ala goku
Sanaipei. Era no ale tauni ngaiga akwiruka kirugo. Ko endale bomedi airoke chepuke mboy. Era undi otarachi ko tenini muswati ndo bwansi otagete so bwanchani karachungusa maga ebona that's the point.
Achungusa maga yae.
A point nelinga kikarachungusa
Mwese komo geni amasi.
Ochungusa maga?
Mwese komo geni.
Yo ochungusa maga bwana. Wasaliole.
Ebu check, I'm not sure. Kwani otero konko yoga iga. Ebu tafute latest. Mwese komo geni.
Oiko komo mwese komo geni.
I think so.
Mwese komo new. The new mwese is in town. Bede yako ndraigo. Gwanza kuliko ngere yo. Makinight again sense. Even if you are crowd chasing. Umongwano yoko kuna irenga bahati no moteli wa secular mongwano yongo tera matera yo bo Kristo. Urende birecha na yabona birecha kamosoa. Agasoa secular gari. Kurinde tinga to sembirecha. Ekiro monto na bwate a decision ya Yako ira. You see the videos nga gakora mukai ga Omochokoro waxing. Really. And you know, internet does not forget. Do you think you just flash it a little bit? Do you think the man did right? Which korokia bantu chibichanga una mukai nkurusi wale waxing. I don't know what brought waxing. Nyasai kagotonga metingia kugotongera. When God created, knew why He created. Do you think it is right?
Oh no, according to my point, Bahati Bahati used to be a gospel artist. And Bahati success Bahati nigaruete very humble beginnings. Mwana kuruchinse mchama Dar es Salaam Bible Bible sirete karomoke agakine une ntakana gali sense mba slums baka agakina music wise agasoka no watera kwa mama okwa gereta abantu bakamwancha kuruwa gupati obirika gotera matera gitara maya lakini point nere nchibuna Makinight wona getenga ngatika ko understand ekracha getiko kora matera gitare very fun nanda cha kuri clouds tigano ko kora keli obekire bakachanga cha bakungu oyakire baka lipstick okore
bango yonde
okore binge asing incho kora cloud chasing nabo igo timaitiko sago kaga showbiz I don't know maybe I could imagine na showbiz yao kora but I think he's doing it in the wrong way.
Now about the woman
kulingana na Mokai I have no problem with Mokai but I have a problem with in fact let me tell you
are we content killer?
In fact, let me tell you, I have no problem with Diana Marua. Diana Marua njetimbwa atipo kungunere. Umuntu mbwata kungunere Bahati. Because Bahati nabantu umuntu abantu bale kumuliriri. umuntu no harabantu babwate imani anenga I can be someone if but na bao kora showbiz but I think it's content chiribuna chiri cyo go expose mukai gurita maguru igali gereti go chime I think that is very bad. Yes. Abana ayo Omochokoro eze ko ibwati buya abakanya nge content nere ku create squeeze
nikete content you cannot tell me nga ninchiko ko mandro muswati amaro na that is correct English bakikisi by the way
saini asubuhi
akono kuigora maguru
mfungua mguu namna hiyo na kwanza kuchungulia vile umesema kwa ndani it is not something that is recommendable.
No, I'm not supporting so that. It's something. It's not. I don't want to call it bad. It
is bad.
I don't want by the it's bad. But I want to say Bahati is not doing it the right way. Yani Bahati according muntu una Bahati takirigo yakora. Nebaga atakirigo yakora showbiz. That is too much for him. Una Bahati singing. Bahati is already made it. Is a superstar. Actually the most subscribed artist in Kenya. Karatu kwa na mwanamuziki tayo what subscribers chita neti Bahati Kenya gaiga. Karatu kwa na about success he's been successful. But wono again to kilia kora and I'm actually thinking he's trying to make his wife happy but not even abuwa kachipisha chiri and let them be in your inbox. Let them be in your phone. Wono because again to kilia kora abantu mbale ba kuliri abalinda Harmonize na tabata tiko role model ya.
Si anataka tuone.
The
moment you post me I stop talking about Bahati kitambo by the way because squeeze vitu zenye anafanya zieleweki.
Hata mimi kumpatia energy but I'm just saying that kind of a thing. Man, we are living in a world
I'm not even looking at us. I'm looking at their kids.
Yeah, man.
You know I'm like
juzi Dana Marua na kevichano mwana first born. A very bad picture. I didn't see that. I know Tanjiro.
It was bad.
It was a very bad. Tigabono ilina kucheli Bahati akorete ilibune meme. Wono this picture Dan Maru agete do mwana mumura monene oyi Bahati adopted omonene. Bahati has one adopted son.
Then wacha achunge because you never know shetani anaingilia wapi.
Wono mwana ulibicha agete na Dan Maru. It was very bad. Wono what I'm saying Bahati what needed ameipata ndio hii tunaongelea. Hii ndio ilikuwa nataka lakini what I'm saying inalinga ki as a celebrity as a role model because most people look at you especially the young people mambine cha kwa nyora aba muda ba gwaka chipicha chingechiri because kuna watu ambao wanamfuata mingo rale mna it's okay let me know na fungua miguu tupige picha kama ile ya Bahati
that is so bad
Bahati
talking of that
Bahati I think I lose it tangu historia yake ya marriage. Mimi sijui but I feel like amerudi amekuwa content creator more than musician.
She's overdoing it.
Umeona vitu zenye wana post, they post even their bedroom videos online.
She's overdoing it.
Do you know why
Kenyan the internet doesn't forget?
Do you know why I call it she's overdoing it? Anafanya vitu kama mwanamke.
Wana wa moro kashi. She's doing it. Wana tigangote bi lisase.
The wife looks mature than
ene wife mature because na bwatemi yake mingu.
Okay.
Wana otaragenda hu. Now that is why to kwanda about Kenyan music. Inki tokogera Kenyan music italiko soka isiko most of them. By the way we have very less international musician in Kenya. Kama to kwanda bantu na South Soul maybe Otile Brown na bake. By the now ikarukuligera libali ba kore international shows. In fact Kenya gaiga. It's how to soul no Otile Brown. Na bunko rabaso Chris Comono.
Of course.
But tara East Africa.
Talking of that, I rather not talk about international music. We talk about kissy music.
Okay.
For real, kissy music, kissy artists wanatuangusha sana kama clan.
Why do you say so?
One, their video production is so low.
But they are trying.
They are not No, they're not trying.
Aba to kwanda kissy artists mbarabia.
Yeah. Point out.
No, I won't point out.
Why?
Because
mimi si kibe.
Which new youth.
Lakini mkitaka nikuwe kibe.
Itakwanda igoro ya youth musicians in kissy go say kissy musicians. Because abantu baba sabusia these are the people
musicians. I don't mean stake sema
unasema in general.
I'm talking in general. For example, let me tell you. Amatana raga atamna ebintu bya kongere pa you know see le baba uda so sema wazamba bujide bakurugu. See the videos they are taking out.
So you're complaining about the production of the music
we
videos.
Need to go out we need to go out of box and then we do things
nice
the right way.
But budget.
That's what I'm talking about.
Bono Mochokoro Nyamora karo ntete ko in a positive way. In fact barurare. Where we are right now is actually we are going somewhere.
I mean, I feel you.
Ekaro from where we have come from.
Nikupatie some videos that are nice.
Hapana, okay, ukiongea hivyo
bono mate
unashangaa kwamba abantu hapa Gerekuru mata they are not setu walipata independent jikitambo sisi walipata independent sai
not that Omochokoro Nyamora kingote banga twarurare. We are going somewhere. According to the videos I see, abana muziki baitu bagosoki, they have no money. Actually, the budget is very low, but they are trying. Inje na watawieke no production ya audio. Ekaro kotekera 2 to 3 years back.
Market, what are you telling me? Let me tell you. Do you know SDA choirs there's na shooting ngoma?
You see, that's what I'm saying. Digeri miaka ibere tatu chimaya, they were not doing that way. Even if they were doing, they were small. Boniga barabange.
Okay, that's what I'm asking. Inki abanyangero, but go on the same track.
Barabiaba. Njoma I can talk about them.
Market, go kuna banyangero mospi in generally.
For example, maybe just say aje kuna video niliwatch haikuniba. Maybe the song was nice.
Okay, I'm telling you. Asensemo yabo songa, usigusi ntewo songo. Usi video quality na audio quality teyerengera na yamo.
Erelie nchipono nchibango ko name those who
name for me. Nchichons page pakicho, nchichons na abikire kwa ujumla.
Chons.
Yes.
Let's talk just the latest queen of Benga. Sabio King. Na Sokyo Gotera.
Okay.
Song is nice.
I don't talk of Sabio King or singing Joe. Sabio King Boniga Soide. Alikuwa na tena amekuwa sponsored. See the sponsorship I'm talking about.
Bono wachiri ntonto kuana bono about budget.
That's what I'm talking about, market. So you didn't understand the get around what I was saying is
understand it.
No don't understand it.
Ninku understand tingelinga ki ncheki ngote banga ki abana muziki bagusi kulingana na ncheka ranko baligere na nate banga I want to be positive with them. Ngaki they are trying at least one iga again tutora tanga ngelinga ki we want to urge them make at least good videos. Ni maitenga mwarura tambe. In fact abantu muna baba ururale na video none birthday na chesa kaiga a very nice video. Ekaro kuligere about videos. Ekaro to kukwana about mondo buna bono mumro iga ngombe nengi manki akruko iga kuru sagero. He's doing good videos. Mr. Ngengo is doing good videos. Mpake watara chituru enturu. It was very bad.
It was not bad ile sasa ilikuwa no ego depende linkare.
They are coming even audio. One yekero okotekera nonich audio aboko yunga production ngo chinchire. Production ngo chinchire gocha. Ngonya goche. Wono ekitokote bankelinga
moyo wotiemechate.
Tigaba kora at least videos chire chingia ba menta at least budget. Na kitokote bantu na baba Samuel Okemwario sababu investors. At least invest on most of them. Na boy go in order someone to invest on you, you must show what you got. Yes.
Okay.
Namaanisha prove you are worth it. But nche hata mimi na support. I'm saying kokorati video chirichi ya kare tuwale kororachia secular artist bagusi. Let's talk about now secular artists. Azikuwa mzuri. Squeeze naonanga watu wana try mpaka location. They even pay for locations. At least hata hapo environment inakaa at least ni mzuri. I don't know. Anaona ni kama kuna at least wamejaribu kuimprove.
Waikrokulia mna abasai bono tiyato kwa ndego abasai. I have a problem na abasai ekene about their music. Nche una Makinight. Now not the video. The content of their music bagotera. They have full potential. In fact babwate I never believed nga gusine tu araba na muziki abasai bagotera this way.
Naendera barabange
bakake bagotera sense. But wono eki nkuligereri enchera wono bakuibogolia. Enchera bakuibogoli na bande bagotera materande. Don't compare with Bahati. Mwetole gusi but yote korokotera kwa nameless. Ole gusiga iga ote korokotera ote compete na Otile Brown. Ole gusiga iga ote compete na Gengeton. Surely. I am not saying you can't. But if you've based yourself as a gossip artist, mbia bono beka urban note yanga bona you are one muziki urban and you are ready to compete with the urban musicians. But ya baiga at least bangotera matera yeke kusina nini, make that song at least get to originality. yeke gusi onya ko gotera gwike gusi te gotware kwa ro muntu to beka Europe mumroli is coming good ile bantu baba msikudu they are doing good dikire mani sango they are doing good kwa makanyora kamura kanda
mani sango is too much available. Stop availing yourself. Mani sango tena masango is too much available.
Mani sango by the naru red card ya
with that too much availability he will never get anything.
To wonder about availability around the Onyamora around the Okoro chakra ko create
you go to igule
an image
you gonna to igule
because ngakinere Mansango nyewe aringe too much available. But I think right now Mansango is heading to the right direction.
Omo ntanya kora by the way numo mungwano yogotera this guy nataka munipatie mimi upande udaku niko na udaku nyingi sana. Kuna kunyingi sana kama leo nataka nione udaku moja. Kunga nere what did dread how do you call this guy anyway namwe
anaimba song gani
chiki usika tu
tote virende tutakukumbusha sema hata chorus
nitakumbuka banaito now Makinight sema udaku na sema jina udaku wewe sema udaku
yeah
wewe
leta
kemunto
7 million ama ni 6 million
6
million wewe kuja na udaku kuja na details
sikiza nikwambia 7 million namna gani ilieko insurance ni gani sio tatipati kama ya hii kampuni sorry mheshimiwa sio kama ya green huko jiwe yenye nasukumwa ndugu yangu kai sema kushtua my friend niliona akisema kwamba nimepitia makubwa na madogo sasa niliamua spandi sinunue gari ya kuingia ndani naingia gari ya kupanda yako ampandwa
anapanda.
By the way, talking about comedy in Kisii. When you talk about short movies, short stories, lazima in one point or the other algerate up to Kemuntono so.
Lakini mimi swali langu nauliza. Acha tu niulize, kata wapi pesa hizo zote baba?
So me I'm explaining about na quality udaku.
Udaku umenichoma na shtuka.
Umeleta udaku sasa mimi.
Explain.
Sasa mimi naeleza.
I'll explain it. Lakini kuniingia.
Ono tiganda eresa nchi. Tiganda eresa Omochokoro Onyamora. Ndabwensi ukuligerelia about comedy. Ukuligerelia about movies in Kisii. In one way or the other. Nongwa ntu atwara interview na gesale gaiga atanga kirali guchaka. Aligereti kemuntu. Akataka kubona kemuntu. Lakini oyatete kumera mono no soro. But in one way muswati utanganete 70 biga. Korkia kurugusi nation akarugusi nation akaenda akabaya sensation yes
ameapia anti-boss once or twice
anti-boss
really
akaapia that na role ka online marketing yo chinyumba by the way agachianga mara chisaluni you know she's tried everything you know what about trying nailing a key? People can see you outside but they don't know inside how you manage. Ekronal como tegerera ase video akorete na President Ali. Inteke tangani na ilo tanga otemire sana gukora a lot of businesses.
Chikoka pranks na akora.
Chiprangi
kujaribu hii anda.
Akiata success. Omaita one day na bukumira bone.
Lakini pia
na bukumire blessing. It doesn't mean that you've worked hard for it, but
a blessing comes in any way.
A blessing can come because of course you've done it.
Unajua you can do even 10 things but ile moja tu
inakomosha.
You know, it doesn't mean that hiyo pesa alipata tu kufanya kazi. Pengine dunia ni shuke. We do things and we are told you never know who is watching.
It's true.
You never know who is
one
watching.
Client can change your life.
Yes, one client can change everything about you.
One
ekara okumuligire likimuntu ekara ko era sabatanga obiri ka struggle to this akagura kagalia kamoiga mumurumwa waka kagende botuko taxi mambe
encourage out here because mtu unaweza fanya tu what you have to do lakini sana sana pia I'm happy that content creation in Kenya imetekiwa as a serious job, imekuja a whole new level right now because ukiangalia so many content creators wale wenye walianza chini tukianza hii stories za YouTube right now people are driving. Right now people are having cars. Right now people any houses. Right now people are doing stuff, very big stuff, maybe wale wa Nairobi. So sahi inapatia tu ule mtu mwenye anataka kuanza. Kwa sababu right now ukienda to the villages ama tu mashule zenye watu wanasoma, unasikia kila mtu anasema nataka kuanza YouTube channel, nataka kufanya content creation, nataka kufanya watu wako ile ilikuwa kitambo nataka kwenda NTV, nataka kwenda KTN.
By the way, squeeze
mimi nataka nimalize niende kila mtu sasa anataka kufungua YouTube because unaona kuna wale watu wenye huko mbele wenye life zao azija remain the same because of what we are doing, and pia investors wanaanza kuinvest pia in online market.
By the way, do you know even these short TikTok videos trend huko Kisii zilianza na Kemunto, by the way.
Yes.
Zilianza akumana kabisa, akumana kabisa kote banki na nini mwa gataire nga totika basaja bayambo tubale nga ibali. You know, she's done it all. Now by the way, inje ngote na ekana ko motekara na tenga ki above businesses akora tagutika akora content because that is passion. Lakini ndo kile esali na nata tenga for the longest time na koleta content on YouTube everywhere batale konyora chibesa. Ichi achete baadaye lakini kiata tigerete singincho he still believes in that passion, but through that na kia berete superstar ekamu expose iskogali to other things. Anyway,
so we keep on trying.
Bono mondonganyete nera agore no soro kanyito soro na chaka at least na agora no ne nyumba nera tutabenga kimbi
maybe ameshanunua
wacha pressure kila mtu.
Hii itakuwa mimi mtu nataka saa hii nataka kuona Samora in on another level.
Wacha pressure, Samora is already on another level.
Ninajua Samora level nyingine baba.
Wewe ushaona networking?
You know Samora was in the US the other day.
By the way, haya sasa tuone ukiondo mchana usiku mchana nataka kuona ngoja usiku mchana.
Wacha pressure.
Ukionda na ukionda is into real estate.
Wacha pressure.
Really?
You know,
so these people are
priorities
well.
in different.
You know, houses.
Okay.
By the way,
sawa.
You know, my blessings can be a car.
Yeah, yours can be a house.
Yes,
yours can be a wife.
Okay, Samora mwenyewe.
Wife ya.
Samora is up to in this flicks.
Yeah,
kuna
exactly. I'm talking of tobire baba sabiri.
No, they're coming up. They're coming up.
Let wasisahau. Another person ningetaka pia naye nione sijui kama mnajua whatnet yake ni Papa Antivirus.
Antivirus is big.
It's doing good.
Actually, let me tell you, this husband Antivirus right now drives a good car.
Wow.
Out of just online, my friend. He has a good home. By the way, ekrokuligi no Antivirus mobile moligire fiscal appearance. Antivirus is changed sana. It's changed now. This is looking good.
Niliona wanawake
Antivirus dresses fine.
Wameanza kusema ati hawakujua Antivirus ni mali safi hivyo.
Let's just give due where
hata mimi ni mali safi.
Kumbe
Pesa
sabuni wacha nipate pesa.
Atirudie tena.
Ebu keep this for future reference. Let me
not
my face. Actually wacha nipate pesa.
Mimi kitu najua naye
Antivirus is even handsome nowadays.
Lakini niliona comments.
Mimi one thing I know nayo hiyo hata mimi sio sura yangu.
Kipesa wewe.
Achana mimi.
Anyway, what we are saying, keep doing what you're doing and do it better. By the way, let me say, media industry.
Sini nakwambia nilipita mahali jana nikapata umradio mwana akunyichi tot get I was so embarrassed. Na nini tiga? Mimi nitamwambia ukweli. Hakuna mtanichukua.
So it's okay.
Lakini hukuniona.
What I'm saying, media houses.
Alikuwa anakunya.
No, tali gazi ziko.
What I was saying.
Cheap liquor because the way the new Makinight is saying we don't have money.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Stop drinking.
Ringing a key as bigger is the station, let the workers still be the same. I'm not saying they are not paid well.
I tell you, other media's people are using others too much. That's so bad. Let us nail on
yes.
Like I was used for many years, man.
Where?
Emotional.
Yeah, no, it's very bad. I was used for many years. Which is not good.
No, that's what I'm saying. Media owners in Kisii. Kisii media is growing very fast, and by the way karankuligereria batangazaji bagusi
talk.
These people
raise the voice.
These people, by the way, Lisa said you take advantage of me. Singing chonga ki ninko etegasi, and you pay me small money, paying them well. At least we can go somewhere.
Yeah. Alafu it's good hapo na agree na wewe, but pia let's talk to business people.
Yes.
Our stakeholders in Kisii. You know, you can approach someone hapa Kisii, you have a big channel, ama you're coming from a well-known station here. If you approach someone for an advert, aoni ile worth yako.
Yeah.
But tuseme mtu akitoka Royal Media, do we say names? It's okay. Mtu akitoka big companies, Royal Media, kuna Standard, kuna Nation Group, people atatrust hiyo sana.
Yeah.
But pia let's support our own. Tuanze tu. Unajua hata mimi hapa chini I can reach people. I can reach 100,000 people.
By saying that, swali ndembugate by the way. Timayati and I'm not personal. Kimongirande liswali nkuboli tuwe governor ya Kisii na governor ya Nyamira.
Yeah.
Simbarati numuske amusinyalibo. Why are they not doing interviews in local channels?
Same hapo ndio ninafika.
Why are they not doing
a
station in Kisii County?
Yeah.
Wagenda watiko kwandra county ngao.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that that's not the station, but I think they are Osinich station is that go approach. I don't know.
No, they do approach.
I don't know.
They do approach
governors people. Just go to the stations Chirese County yao. Go there. Make na I support because wanakulipa ushuru ya county for interview. I don't say that those counties are not local radio stations. Netiagusi, but I think governors na support.
Hapana, yes, charity begins at home. Ukianza kutuempower hapa ndio
radio station Nyamira County.
No. We don't
have one. We need to open one there.
Okay, actually I think we should do that.
We should open a radio station in Nyamira.
Nyamira.
Check FM Nyamira County.
Nyamira kiko stabbed Nyamira.
Right. Mwancho muligereria ebintu binde ndo cheka igatwala cyo kunde binge sinje chinsa timati ko kune bintu biro bitatoka iga alion kelinga ki mo president yani mo
That's a good thing.
Wa kwetransfer.
That's a good thing.
What are your thoughts about it?
It's a good thing and a bad thing.
In just stable security.
3 years.
Yes, 3 years tutakuwa stable security.
Mbona kusikwe nayo?
Why?
3 years squeeze ni kama this is it. Unajua kuna miroho ya watu. The time mama ntabaucha kunara kumanyanga how to deal with kisses. Vitu vitakuwa vimeharibika. Ebiswero. Let's talk about Ebiswero Makinight. Let's talk about Ebiswero na ki gajama ruwale. Within those 3 years, atarachi kumanya. Of course, I understand agote makurusia, maybe corruption, was to keep into binge. But, in the real sense, tukiangalia na wrong run, pia kuna kaishu kwamba, watakuwa wanazika vitu mingi sana, vitakuwa vinachipuka.
You know,
so, unamaanisha they need time, they need 10.
Terega, diria, oya achire kumanya gento. For example, uhalifu utakuwa mingi kwa sababu, I don't know kama, sijui kama ni hivyo, sijui kama askari bado ndio wanashughulikia maneno ya crime.
You know, Omochokoro Onyamora.
The same people?
Yes. Omochokoro Onyamora.
Justice itakuwa poa.
I just want to explain this.
So you in short unasema they need time kwa one station.
Omochokoro Onyamora.
And 3 years is not enough.
Monto kodiri namaru anywhere. No mo chief. Ya banki si bosongo gaiga ntugato mo chief. Bwe area bakaga story ntugato mo chief utakere ko kumanyanki kendretega. Monto kodiri namangana ya maru no mo chief anywhere. Umuntu godiri na basigari abantu bwato mo CS. Ereta li mo CS taranganyi abantu bakuchinjuna na basigari.
So I thought it's the entire thing that is being removed.
So what happens nearing aki this police is not a civilian. Police mo sigari ta ku station nyo tara order sasa gochi. Na no mukubwa ali obisi. Mosigari ta to mu achiko kuligimarwa sigete onye tarate no mo chief nga arsenal to kogenda ero manyete igasia maruna ba chief. What I have a problem with this so much Onyamora, it's families.
Yeah.
Orochina kwa chire kwa bekira bana ba Kisii school. Yani Kisii primary. In 3 years nando ko banganya nando baire kajiado. In 3 years nando baire schools adopting new environment. Dia bana ba seto ire ngagusi. And kwa bachenji. I don't have a problem na basigari ko chenju. Mono it means in families will be having problems.
What about wale askari couple?
Wono teja basigari yeba nyuma ine musigari.
Moja Lodwa, mwingine Mombasa.
Unaona hiyo
akole kibulia waenda huko atafute mbabas atafute mamas.
Acha kimochikara kwa kwana. Na roho muntu wa mga watangaki. Sisi tuliwaambia Kitawaramba nyinyi mulitupinga sisi wakati wa maandamano, nyanya sasa nyinyi andamaneni.
Na yule pia
sasa we go back. Sasa naona ni kama tutarudi kwa ile era ya kitambo. Unajua nilikuja kuuliza leo nikaambiwa mama tenki chini nyumba sisi basigari chibareta chinkeiga. Kumbe you are not supposed to live with Philip kana liyo gocha.
Ochora ni bwate ni ibu musigari omete mu neighbor yani. You know mbati abasigari mbaye turi uhuru yo komenya n'abantu.
Okay.
Your current.
Yes.
So what I'm saying, if I'm really abekirwe school uga miaka 3. And in fact it is an order from the CS. If you will deny konganya no salary. Ukikataa kwama hakuna salary. Ingelinga maete mosacha
to ile libagali yo gutora bakungu abange lakini it's okay.
In fact so you see now
you know that is it. Ni nafasi ya ku
musikali inko nyomete. Ngonganyi kuru bosongo 3 years. Nkoire bogere 3 years. Nkoire boikoyo 3 years. Nkoire kajiado 3 years.
Abana bao
will I do that na abana?
Abana now watakuwa affected ya masomo wise.
Will I be ati mboto murakera for 3 years imego cha konyora?
No, si kuna off in between kan go.
Bono gaiga bono
kuna wanaume wengine hawezi kukaa bila mwanamke kwa nyumba.
I think not even kukaa, not even.
So inamaanisha wale wenye kuna wanawake wa cheat.
Sita asa tuongee kuhusu cheating.
Ili sasa not even not nje. Okay, nje nje I don't support Omochokoro ngamora kiera na nini. What I'm supporting kelinga key families will be affected.
Of course.
Ndio nakwambia hivi market yango tayo ndeke mo. Yote na tiko satu turu kwa maana morakera. Omorakera it's obvious na no. But one thing I'm asking ni kwamba one thing I'm saying, okay, then what did you support by saying tunyoma ku banyoma kungwa bange?
Now
that is the issue.
What happens sikia kwa tali bakungwa bange na marriage will be affected.
How will marriage be affected? Is marrying a lot of women?
I'm very honest.
No, tena kia tusigete ine kawaida na ki kawaida ngana umanyite.